Hi everyone, just want to give you a quick ST update. I'm at the point now where I'm ready to treat the chassis with VATCAN, but before I do that I'm just going to give it a quick panel wipe and get it all, make sure there's no dust and everything else. So I'm going to VATCAN it and then I'm going to start zinc primering, base coat, and everything back together slowly. Now yesterday I had a guest visitor turn up. He's not made an appearance on this channel yet, but I'm sure he will do. I had Dave from ST220 Saloon Restorations turn up because I made him some brake pipes. Very nice chap. Nice to meet the guy. We help each other out a lot, and that's why we do these videos, like I said over in his video. And we make these videos to help a lot of people out. Our little bit of knowledge may help someone else's bit of knowledge, that sort of thing, but I would like to do one thing for him. He's a relatively new channel. He's got, I believe, 5 STs, and I'd like to give him a little boost. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave a link in the description to his latest video that I actually appear in from when he was here. It's only a quick 3-4 minute video, but what I'd like you all to do, if you can do, is go over there, leave a little message, tell him Chaz sent you over, and if you can, subscribe to him. Okay, he's at about 400 subscribers, give or take, and I'd like to see him hit 1,000. Okay, now I think this would be doable, maybe more easily, so help us out. Don't really ask for a great deal, but I'd like to see him hit that 1,000 mark and give him a little bit of a boost. He's doing a good job, he's a nice guy. It was really nice to meet him, so yeah, do us that favour and just head over there. Like I said, the previous video, his last video with me in it, I'll put in the description so you can watch it, and just give him a follow. So much appreciate it, and I'm sure Dave would as well. So I'm going to get back to work on the ST here, and I will be uploading this video of the update with what I've done so far, hopefully next Sunday. And because it's such a slow process, but it's worth doing, take time. So I'm going to leave it here. I've rabbited on for long enough. Hope you guys are all doing okay out there, and I will see you next Sunday, which is in 7 days time, with the next part of the ST project here.